This is a video for anyone who is suffering with the Corsair H110 noise issues with the pump and the fans included within the box. I've recently installed them into my system with Intel Core i5 3570K. Currently running at stock speeds, stock multiplier. The issue with the Corsair H110 was down to the pump running at full speed, making a loud noise, and the stock fans that were included in the box, such as these being absolute crap. When you get them, I recommend you just bin them, give them to a friend, or just sell them on eBay for a fiver. The solution that I used to fix the pump issue, was to include to attach the pump to the channel fan rather than the CPU fan. This allows me to control the pump speed within AI Suite, ASUS AI Suite. Currently I have a fan curve set out, a pump curve set out so that it focuses. There you go. Currently I have a fan curve set out so that when the CPU gets hotter, the pump will run a bit more quicker. If you listen to it now currently, probably might not even be able to hear it. If I disable my settings and run it at full speed, my mistake, that's the wrong fan. There you go, here's the curve I'm using. If I disable it, maybe I'll pick up the buzzing. That really ticked me off when I first got it. By default, Corsair want you to plug it into the CPU fan header, but that doesn't allow you to adjust the speed via voltage. The only connectors within this ASUS motherboard is a P8Z77VLX. The only connectors that allow you to do it is the chassis fan connectors. So instead of doing it how they said, pumps in the pump for the Corsair unit is in the chassis fan, and the CPU fan header controls these two fans up here, which are these. They are Noctua NFP14s, the Redux version. They allow they are, how do I phrase it? They are silent fans. They run they're quiet at high speeds, which allows me to get relatively good temperatures for the processor. If I scroll down, this CPU's been running for about a good 4 or 5 hours, and the maximum temperature, as you can see, is 40 degrees Celsius. That's currently what I'm getting. But that's pretty much how I've combated the issue with the poor fans and the annoying pump issue. Yeah, thanks for watching.